Hey guys, you're here with me. Sorry, I'm like half ready. I have to go. I think I need a new tripod. This one's just like way too short. So I'm just doing my makeup right now. I hate that you guys can't see me. How about that? Is that gonna work? Yeah, that works. Nice. So I have a meeting today with a week, and you know, we're just gonna talk over a few things. I showed an interest in school. I did a lot of theater directing, so I have a lot of like behind the camera and like behind the scenes like experience. Thinking I can just incorporate all that into it and then just share my vision with the world. But when I have an eye or I see a show and, you know, you feel like, you know, you could probably put your input and make it even a better show, well, that's exactly what I'm doing. My hair looks crazy right now. It's short. I'm gonna take it down in a second. I literally have to go in like probably 5 minutes. I don't even know what time it is. It's probably like 11. But I wore like this new shirt that I bought. It's nice. It's like a choker. It's green, but it looks better in the light. So I'm gonna use my favorite Wet n Wild under my eye to just brighten it up a little bit. This is like literally like my everyday makeup. I guess maybe I could use red. Red. I should know my colors. This is pink. Pink. This is like really pink actually. Do I? Too big? Is that too pink, guys? I think it's a little too pink. It's a little too pink, so I'll use the metallic Revlon Ultra HD. Okay, that doesn't help. Anyway, so now I'm gonna do my hair. Look how hair my short is. Look how hair my short is. Do I have dyslexia? Look how short my hair is. It's crazy. I'm gonna blow dry it out now. I don't even have like one of those rolly brushes. I had a few and I lost them. I never needed to use them because I didn't have short hair. Now that I have short hair, I need it. I don't even know where to start. Okay. Sheesh. So I guess this is how it looks. Okay. Now I just have to straighten it. This is like not like my long hair. My long hair is so much faster. It's really nice out. Maybe I should wear like a black jacket. I'm not sure what I'm doing, but today I'm just having a meeting in New Haven. It's about an hour out, so I gotta leave now. My appointment's at 12. I mean, 1. And then we'll see from there. Yeah, I just want to make sure the bottom looks good. I definitely have to invest in a rolling brush. Like, I have to. It's cute. I can put my hair up like this. I knew that I would have to spend more time on my hair if I want this type of haircut. It's my way of working with what I got for my tools. Okay, I think I'm good, guys. I mean, I have no choice. I have to be good. That's cute. I can still kind of put my hair back. Like that. You know? And still have that in the front. That looks good, guys. I like my hair. Okay. I look good. Now, look at my cat. Look at my cat. What are you doing in my pile of clothes, kitty? Yeah, you're just chilling there, huh? Okay, so I'm gonna wear this jacket. I should have fixed the lighting on this. Okay. Got my socks on. We're out. Nikes. Okay, right. Come here. Come here, cutie. He's like, screw that. He's like, I'm not going nowhere. Oh, great, my camera. I seriously. Okay. So I'm on my way to go get this tripod. I mean, I have tripods, but when I'm in my room and I do my makeup, I have it on bookcases right now. So I'm actually on my way right now to Best Buy. I am going to get a tripod. I think that this will make my life easier. But it's a nice day out. I should open up my sunroof. Make the most out of it. Spring. Everyone's all out. I'm also going away on vacation in like, I think 2 days. No, I leave on Wednesday. Today is Saturday. I always say that I'm gonna pack my things and, you know, have everything organized. Because of my work schedule, I have 1 day off per week. And with my 1 day off, that's when I do everything. I do my cleaning, I do my laundry on castings, I do my auditions that day. Whatever I do, I plan on that 1 day. Because people like me who have no life, but have a life, that's what happens. Don't tell me I just got that spot. Yes. Right up and close and personal. Oops, sorry. I just need to get this tripod, and it's gonna make my life a lot easier. Yeah, I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to just like going on the beach, laying out, no work. I'm really not gonna be on Instagram, social media like that. Absolutely not. I mean, I'm gonna vlog all my stuff, but I'm not gonna be posting anything. I'm not going to be living anything. Okay, maybe one live video. I'm just gonna detach from the world, go relax, do what I need to do, just be refreshed. When somebody works a lot, you know, it really does take a toll on them, their body. I mean, for example, I work pretty much like 55 hours a week. You know, I'm sure people work more than me, and I'm sure people work less than me. However, my body, I didn't realize how much rest I needed for my body. I mean, mentally, I was like, yeah, let's do this, drink a cup of coffee or two. You know, I'm on the road, 8 a.m. I get home by like 10 at night. And then, like I said about my previous day off. Okay, enough with that. I just have to go inside now and get this damn tripod. It's not like a standalone Best Buy. I have to like, what? It's like a shopping mall thingamabobber. Do I want to go in here? Yeah, I do. Don't procrastinate. Do not procrastinate. Hey guys, how are you guys doing today? So today is April 2nd and it is snowing, and yeah, happy spring to us. Sheesh. But anyways, so yeah, it looks like I'm all bundled up in April, huh? Go figure. I did my nails. Can you tell? Probably not. It looks prettier. Like right now on the camera, it doesn't look as great. It's just me getting into the spirit. I'm headed to Florida in a day, and then tomorrow I'm just gonna chill, relax, get everything packed, because like I said, I am a very last minute late packer, but I think I usually do a good job when I'm packing and things like that, because I mean, I'm a very basic girl. I'm not even high maintenance. So right now I'm just headed to Walmart, my favorite store. Okay, enough with trying to show you guys. Jeez. I have to go put some gas in my car. I just gotta do some stuff. I've been driving around and realized I had to put gas in my car with 16 miles left, but whatever. It's not like it's not the first time. Oh, by the way, I never had luck with finding a tripod. So if anybody has any suggestions of what I could use as like a tripod for just my tables, I've seen a few out there, but what is everyone excuse me, I burped. But what is everybody else using out there? And right now I'm just like, I guess this is vlogging. This is just me. So yeah. Alright, I'm tired. I want to go listen to some music. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. Okay guys, I just went to Walmart and I just got what I needed. Alright guys, well that ends my vlog number 2 video, and see you guys in Miami. Peace. Bye. Just kidding. Just kidding. Alright, I do that all the time. Okay, bye.